before going to my presentation, I would like to ask you something. Which type of education system is very till date? Can anyone? And what type of education system? Okay, the whole world is studying technology, impact of technology and education system. That means with what education is linked up with world technology. Today's topic is
Wait.
impact of technology on education. Here we see some of the technology is very much related to the education. If this goes on, then we'll have like this sort of tax. That is simply we don't need to carry books and that's all everything. We will use to lappy and tabs, that's all. This is what is happening till date and this will happen in future also. The cost of this is more and this is less. By topic, as I have said, topic impact of technology on education. Let us see what are the main factors regarding this. Listen to the topic. We simply goes on to technology things mobile phone. It is a major source that we use till date. Our teenagers of this era of as we are in BTech, we use mainly phones for technical purpose. For suppose for preparing any PPTs, smartphones are available in which we can prepare, and we can use WhatsApp, Facebook, and also for share of things. And this is e-learning. That's we are finding in each and every institutions and all. This live example is this. We are using English lab, which is useful for best communication and to communicate with all well. This is the advantages of technology. Impact of technology having both two ways. That is positive impact and negative impact. Let us see what is positive impact. Positive findings about technology. That is making learning easier. Till date, all youths are very much interested in seeing and learning things. They not ever want to read anything. Just for example, for live example we can take. We are going to movie. We can see movie for just 3 hours. We can concentrate and we remember all these things. In the same way, we can use that technology in that, making learning easier. If we use projectors and all in learning, that we will be easy to understand and perform well. Understanding concept easily. As I said earlier, time consumption to learn is less. As I gave an example, that is 3 hours, that's very much less time. If you read something by heart, it will take more time. If we just see and concentrate on that, then make the time less and make us to understand easily the concept. Now, information comes to hand whenever we read. For suppose we are using your notes and pencil and pen for writing any information. For some days it will erase and it will lost. But if we use the technology such as phone, laptop, or anything, we can store in that and we can easily get whenever we need, and we can simply recover the data also. Helps the students to go high marks, because as you know, everyone is interested in technology, so that it helps us students to read well. Now going to negative impacts, vision problems. If we stay 24 hours before the system, it will may let problem to our eyes. So we get into problem, physical health issues. This slide states that for every day if we use system, then we will forget about playing outside games. So for suppose if we are addicted to system games, then it will cause very fatty and very much health issues for us also. Exposure to radiation. The radiations which are coming from the system are very much powerful and affect our eyes and body too. These are for computer time. This computer time is nothing but for there are some of them who use computer for the crime such as hacking. That's all. Then we have learned that without using computer ethical values. Data security. Data security means this comes under the office purpose. For suppose in offices we are using systems which is highly secure, but some of them are hacking system and driving the data without permission. Unemployment. If we simply use computer for our fun and jovial things, then we will definitely unemployed. Wastage of time. If we use in improper manner, it will definitely lead to the wastage of time. Now let us see the advantages of technology to learning. As I have gained this information from online, that you gathering my information, I have seen that 67% increased attention throughout lesson. Using of technology, using this is percentage, rapid assimilation of knowledge. By using this, everyone is getting rapid information, getting knowledge. Technical skills development, 61.7%. These are some of the bar graphs I have shown you the advantage of using electronic equipment learning at schools. It's simply lab example is this PPT presentation. I'm projecting you with projector. This will help you to listen and clearly to learn easily. Now these are the hundreds of number of students and their present preference. Many of us do not want to go classes and don't go and listen the boring lectures. So many of us don't want to go the classes. For those, this is another is the best. So preferred classes and limited IT means IT presentation, information technology. Preferred classes with moderate IT. This is the situation where now is going on throughout our education system. There is classes with IT, that both teaching and e-classing with helper projectors are going on this. Prefer classes at extensive IT, prefer only online classes. So only online classes is very dangerous and not have online classes is too dangerous. So prefer classes with modern IT is preferable because this helps us students understand the problem easily and they can have the concentration too. Well, let us see what we students have to take student head on technology. What a student have to do to impact technology without having any errors or bad effects. That is, access information whatever I want. Student can access whatever information he needs at any time with no issue of time at all. Now, improper productivity with smart applications. By using this, not only we can develop our productivity, but we can also develop our smartness by using many more applications. Now, present scenario for our job purposes, everyone is thinking about this only technology, because if it not using this, then it will cause a problem for them. Now, student is share to copy and environment. Save anymore. This is the one major point, that is we can ensure that using this we can free environment and okay. This is what's sum up this. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Any queries, please?
You said impact, right? You talk, but you tell advantages about education.
Impact, the word is impact of technology on education, but topic is impact of technology on education. This is that how education is going with the help of technology, either positive or negative. I have shown you both positive impact and negative impact, and my view is we have to take the positive impact, we have to use by taking care of this negative impact too.
What are the remedies you can take?
Remedies by using for our purpose only, for major purposes for the online education, not by for not using for as computer have said. If we reduce that, when we have that maturity, then we can success.
You said that instead of blackboards we can replace with smart boards.
Yes.
But many of the schools cannot replace because of poorness.
Poorness, yeah. For that, if the government should take care of that. Private institutions are taking very much money from their students. For example, Sri Citra and Narayana, they are taking a lot of money from us, so they can implement that too. I said only for implement, not for its a rule. Only that.
Using of technology, children leads to a bad person.
That depends on your way you use the technology. Only you can only do. If
But
you
all
use-
the children use in same way, not.
No, who said that? No, all the time.
Society
That
depends.
depends on you, how you can use it. If you use for only for 10 purpose, then you will well pay lose. If you use for good thing, you will get